our topic is India Physical. So, before starting, let me introduce my group members. He is Babushi Mitanj, Mudalya Krishna, Nayar Rohan, Patel Rudra, and Manoj Mandi. So, here, let us start. What is physical features of India? So, India is a country of vast geographical expanse. In the north, it is bound by the lofty Himalayas, Arabian Sea in the west, the Bay of Bengal in the east, and the Indian Ocean in the south. India has an area about 3.28 million kilometers square. The north-south extent from Kashmir to Kanyakumari is about 3,200 kilometers, and the east-west extent from Arunachal Pradesh to Kutch is about 2,900 kilometers. There is a great variety in the climate, vegetation, wildlife, as well as in the language and culture. In this diversity, we find unity that is reflected in traditions that bind us as one nation called India. So here I have made a model of physical features of India. Now, I would like to call my friend Manoj Mandi to explain you all about Ganga River.
Thank you, Krishna. Now I would like to give my speech. Ganga River is one of the longest rivers in India. It originates from Gangotri Plains and travels down through all the plains where it is merged with Bay of Bengal. The Ganga River is one of the primary rivers in India. It is called as National River of India, and it travels down to plains where it is merged with Bay of Bengal. Now I would like to explain my model. So this is Himalayan range from where Ganga comes down, and it goes in Devprayag, Rishikesh, Haridwar, Kanpur, Patna,
Bhagalpur,
Kolkata, and at last it merged with Bay of Bengal. Now I would like to give mic to my friend Pavil Raj. Thank you, Mani, for giving me my mic. Now I will explain about minerals. So what do you mean by minerals? Let me explain. A mineral is a...
What are you speaking about?
Minerals. A mineral is a natural substance with distinctive chemicals and physical properties, composition and atomic structure. Mineral is a solid substance. Found in nature. They are not alive. The atoms which make up a mineral are fitted together to form a crystal. Gold, diamond, rock, iron, and graphite is used to make the lead of the pencil. Are the example of the minerals. Minerals are extracted by mining and drilling. India is the largest producer of the thorium and the second largest producer of the coal and aluminium, gold, diamond, rock, iron, salt, etc. Now I would like to give Krishna Mudalya to explain about Indian language. Thank you, Mitanj, for giving me the mic. I am Krishna Mudalya. My topic is Indian language of Western part. In the Western part, the temperature is so high that people wear loose cotton clothes. Houses are made of bricks and painted so very beautifully. The people do herding of animals such as goat, sheep, buffalo, cow, and a very helpful animal for the West Indian people, camel, as it is the main also drink milk of camels. Now I will explain the occupation of people in this region. The first occupation of people here is farming. Farming is a major occupation of people for living. The crops grown by farmers here are wheat, millet, etc. The second occupation here is handicraft. Handicraft is also a significant source of income. Handicraft done by people here are painting, pottery, basket making, etc. So this was my Western Indian language. Now I would like to give the mic to Rohan Nair for explaining about Sundarban forest.
Thanks, Krishna Mudalia. Now I would like to tell about the Sundarban forest. The Sundarban forest is the mangrove area. It is formed in the confluence of the Padma, Brahmaputra and the Meghna rivers. The name of the place comes from the Sundari trees which are present only in this region. The Sundari trees are the mangrove species which are from the Hereditary form. It is the area between the Baleshwari river